oh sorry, find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Man etu question. Sum is 27, product is 182. That means question number 3 ki koise is a যোগফল 27. Let দুটা নাম্বার উলিয়াব লাগে. Let এটা নাম্বার a আৰু এটা নাম্বার b দুটা নাম্বার আছে. আমাক কৈছে যে যোগফল a plus b কিমান কৈছে 27 আৰু প্ৰডাক্ট a into b কিমান কৈছে 182. 182, yes, 182. Or product 182. It was right. A plus b, whose sum is 27. A plus b is equal to 27, and product a into b is equal to 182. We have to find what is a, what is b. We have to find what is a, what is b. A is equal to what, and b is equal to what. Solution. Let one number is okay. A. Another is b. Another is b. A plus b is equal 27. This is given. And then what we will have, a is equal, or what we will have, b is equal 27 minus a. B is equal 27 minus a. Now we are given that a into b is equal 182. A into b is equal 182. We are given. And we know a into what is b? B is equal 27 minus a is equal 182. Since jehetu a into b is equal 182, so this implies a into b, in the place of b we have written 27 minus a is equal 182. This will imply 27a minus a square is equal minus a square is equal 182. This will imply, or a square minus a square plus 27a minus 182 is equal to 0. This is the form of quadratic equation, right? This is the form of quadratic equation. Now this will imply, if we multiply by minus 1, this will imply a square minus 27a plus 182 is equal to 0. Now what we will do? This will imply a square minus 27a is equal to 182. If we divide by 2, 2, 9, 1, 4. 7, 13, 21. So what we have obtained, minus 14a minus 13a plus 182 is equal to 0. Okay, this will imply a into a minus 14 into a minus 14 minus 13 into a minus 14 is equal to 0. Minus 13 into minus 14 is equal to 182. This will imply a minus 14. If we take common a minus 14, যদি আমি common লওঁ থাকি যাব ইয়াত a minus ইয়াত থাকি যাব 13 minus 13 is equal to 0. So this will imply product of two numbers equal to 0. Then what happens? Then one of them is equal to 0. So either a minus 14 equal to 0 or a minus 13 equal to 0. This will imply a is equal to 14 and this will imply a is equal to 13. So this. So what we have obtained? We have obtained a is equal to 13 and a is equal to 14. Product of two numbers. If a is equal to 14, what is b? Then b is equal, we know sum of that a plus b is equal to what? And b is equal to 27 minus a we have obtained. Look into above, I will show you. So b is equal 27 minus a. b is equal to 27 minus a. So b is equal 27 minus a, and this is equal 27. A is equal to, when a is equal to 14, 27 minus a, b is equal to 13. A is equal to 14, b is equal to 13. भूख होला है काले नुपुल दाहत भूख होला है काले. Question 4. Question number 4 is given that find two consecutive positive integers. Two consecutive positive integers, consecutive, that means 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, they are consecutive. Find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square is 365. Sum of whose square, after square, that means 3 square plus 4 square. This sum of these squares, sum of whose square is 365. Okay, like that. Find two consecutive number. One consecutive number is a, another consecutive number is a plus 1. If one is 3, another is 4. So if one is a, then another consecutive number is a plus 1. And sum of each square, a square plus a plus 1 square. इन दोनों का सम कितना होगा? Is equal 365. Let one number is a, another consecutive number is a plus 1. If one is a, another, the consecutive number of a is a plus 1. Another number is a plus 1, and a plus 1 is consecutive of a. Then square a square plus, according to question given, we are given that a square plus a plus 1 square, square का sum equal to 1 365. This is given. This is imply a square plus is इसका क्या होगा a square plus 1 plus twice a is equal to 365. Twice a square plus twice a minus 364 is equal to 0. This will imply a square plus a minus 182 is equal to 0. This will imply a square plus 14 a is equal to 14a minus 13a minus 182 is equal to 0. A is equal to 14a minus 13a. This will imply a into a plus 14 minus 13 into a plus 14 is equal to 0. Now what we will get? A plus 14 will become out as a common, so a minus 13 is equal to 0. This will apply either a plus 14 is equal to 13 or a minus 13 is equal to 0. A minus plus 14 is equal to 0 or a minus 13 is equal to 0. If then this will imply a is equal to minus 14 and this will imply a is equal to 13. What we are given that the number should be consecutive positive. The number should be positive number. Then a is equal to 13. This is impossible. Why a is equal to minus 14 is impossible? Then you look into the question. यहाँ पे दिया गया है फाइंड टू कॉन्जिक्यूटिव पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. ये पॉजिटिव सो पॉजिटिव होने के लिए ये a इज इक्वल टू माइनस 14 नहीं हो सकता है. ओके, सो a इज इक्वल 13 इज द करेक्ट आंसर. देखिए a is equal to 13 and a plus 1 is equal to 14. Hence the numbers are 13 and 14. So this one is 13 and another is 14. So they are consecutive number that we had to calculate. Now we take the last question. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter. That means if this is a triangle and if this is 90 degree, then this is called a right triangle. If this is A, B, C, then what is altitude? This is altitude. Altitude is this 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter. Oh, nahi. Altitude is 7 centimeter less than base. If this is base, this is perpendicular. Altitude means perpendicular P. This is base, this is P. 7 centimeter less than base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find the other two sides. Okay. Okay, look. Question number, this is height. If this is a right angle triangle, this is base, this is perpendicular, and this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is given that this is 13 centimeter, and we are given that altitude is 7 centimeter less than this. We are given h is equal to 13, and जो p है ना perpendicular, that means this is called altitude. Altitude. This p is equal b minus 70, that means 7 centimeter less than 7 centimeter less than h is equal to 13 centimeter. P is equal to 7 centimeter less. 7 centimeter less than the base. Okay. Now this is 20, so this is okay. P is equal b minus 7. Now what we know? We know that h square is equal p square plus b square. Is it? According to Pythagoras. According to Pythagoras. This is Pythagoras. According to Pythagoras theorem, a square is equal p square plus b square. Now this will imply h is equal to 13 square and p is equal p square. P is equal b minus 7. So this is b minus 7. B minus 7 into b is equal to b. Okay, what we have done, thirteen square p square, p means b minus 7 square plus b square. Okay, b square. So this will imply b square b minus 7 square is equal 13 square. पूजा भला ही खाली b square plus 7 square minus 2 into 7 is equal to 14. तो a minus b whole square फॉर्म में इसको हमने एक्सप्लेन कर दिया using a minus b whole square formula. This okay, 13 square. This will imply twice b square plus 49 minus 14b is equal 169. This will imply twice b square minus 14b and minus 169 minus 42, 169, 49. Okay, but we will get 0 to 1. 120 is equal to 0. This will imply b square minus 7b is equal to 60 minus 60 is equal to 0. And this will imply okay, रुक जा. This will imply b square minus 12b plus 5b. 12b plus 5b is equal 12b plus 5b is equal 12 minus 12b plus 5 minus 12b plus 5b is equal minus 7b is equal minus 60 is equal to 0, and this will imply b square अभी दोनों का कॉमन अगर लेते हैं तो b स्क्वायर नहीं b इंटू b माइनस 12 प्लस 5 इंटू b minus 12. This will imply b minus 12 into b plus 5 is equal to 0, and this will imply b is equal to 12 or b is equal to minus 5. Okay, since b is the base and this is the length, and length cannot be in negative, so this is impossible because distance is not negative. Length is a distance and it is not negative, it is always positive, so this is not correct. So base is equal to 12 and altitude is equal to 12 minus 7 because 7 centimeter less than the base, so base is 12 centimeter, so altitude is 5 centimeter. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5 centimeter. So we have calculated all the sides. ये था प्रॉब्लम, यहाँ पर 30 था, so this is we have obtained 12 and this is we have obtained 5. So this and this we have to obtain when we have calculated. Okay, so this is the question what we have to done. See you in the next class. In the next class we will go to the exercise problem 5 and 6 and 7, 6 and 6. Okay, thank you.